everyone, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, welcome to All Things Burn. I appreciate you clicking on this video and checking this channel out. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for coming back by and checking out this video. I hope you all are doing well. I hope your families are doing well, and I hope you're living your best blessed life, you all. So I have a unboxing of another beautiful luxury replica purse, you all. The good people from Timo store, reached out to me and sent me over this beautiful bag. I'm gonna get it out of this package and we're going to see what is inside, you all. This is a sponsored video by Timo. Not Timo, but Timo with an O. It's T-I-M-O. So, also the bag is, let me get it out the package first. The box is a little bit beat up, but I always say as long as the bag is not beat up on the inside. See, the box is a little dented, but still, you know, still okay. Let's get into it. I'm gonna pop up some pictures of their website so you all can see all of the luxury items that they have over there. Oh my goodness, they have purses, watches, belts, bags, clothing, jewelry. You name it, they have it, y'all. Yo, actually, I was looking at something on my camera. I was like, what is that? Oh goodness. So we're gonna take it out of this box, y'all. I'm gonna have to just rip this box. Yeah, let's try to rip this box a little bit more without ripping what's on the inside. Okay, that's better. Ooh, okay. So we got it out of the box. And let me put this knife away. Beautiful box, and let's get it out of the bubble wrap so we can see what's on the inside, y'all. I'm excited to see this one as well. So this is the box that it came in. It's a Louis Vuitton or Louis Vuitton bag, and we're gonna open it. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here, y'all. Let me see. Let me try to do it this way. So, right away, we're opening it up and we're gonna see what's in here. So, we have a Louis Vuitton shopping bag. I love these bags. I love to collect these bags. So, I have Chanel, Louis Vuitton, I have Christian Dior, I have quite a few of them, y'all. So I like this. I like that, y'all. Of course, here are all of the information, the receipts, and let me see, I think it's 2 receipts in here. Yeah, receipts. Some ribbon. Oh, the ribbon is pretty. It just says Louis Vuitton in case I want to gift this or give this to someone. And of course we have a little card. And let me see, it's a bunch of stuff right here. It's a bunch of stuff right here. So we're gonna get that out and see what that is. Okay, so this is their business card. This is the company where this bag came from. And then this is, let me see what this is. Oh, I think this goes on the bag. For a name tag, this looks like a luggage tag. That's what that looks like, because you have the little plastic thing there. So that looks like the luggage tag, yeah. And then I can just hook it on to my luggage or something like that. Okay, neat. Yeah, and I just buckle it and hang it on there. Okay. Let me see what this is, you all. This is, let me see. Oh, it's just a little card. Just a little card with Louis Vuitton emblems on it, or logo. And you have the little care booklet on how to care for the bag. So, and then you have the strap that goes to this purse, which we're gonna get out in a second. So this is the strap to the purse. It's pretty long. Wow, that is really long. Okay, now let's unwrap this bag. Ooh, oh, this is heavy. Louis Vuitton dust bag. And let's get it out. Oh my goodness. Ooh, yo. This is gorgeous. Oh my, this thing is heavy. This is a monogram Petite bag, y'all. Let me try to get the plastic off all this hardware. Let me see, is there plastic on here? I think it is, but it's kind of hard to get it off, so I'll take off the ones that are easy to take off, y'all. Oh, wow. Let me put the strap on this bag so you all can see. I'm trying to take off the plastic that was on the sides of this bag so I can hook the strap to it. All right, let's get this strap and let's hook this strap on here. Oh my goodness, the only thing I don't like about these bags, I keep telling y'all, is the plastic. Even though I know it's good to protect the hardware, but sometimes it is a pain to get it off. Like a pain to get it off. I may put you guys on pause just so I can, I don't want to take up too much time trying to get this off. So I'll be right back, you all. Y'all, that little piece that I thought was a luggage tag, even though it still has some place where you can, you know, put identification in, it actually goes, it attaches to this bag right here. Amazing. Amazing. I'm loving this. Okay, y'all, I got all the plastic wrapping off. And, oh, well, I thought I did, y'all. I see one more, but that was easy. Thank goodness. So once again, let me pick up this bag so you guys can see it with the plastic off. That is the hardware. Really, really, really nice hardware. Really nice hardware. So I think I'm gonna open the bag first and then we'll go ahead and put the strap on afterwards. So you have this little clasp right here that you have to push together for the bag to open like that. And so we're gonna open the bag. I think I'm gonna have to take the buckle off. I think I'm gonna have to unstrap it a little bit just so we can see on the inside. Let's see. Okay. Oh, this is really, really, really tiny, y'all. But it is a beautiful bag. This is just to keep the moisture out of it, I'm assuming. And that's what it is on the inside. That is it, you all. And it has like a little tiny pocket right here for maybe your credit card, driver's license, something like that. Yeah, right there. But that is the only compartment on the inside. And it does say Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy, but it's really, really small. But it does say that on the inside. And when I tell y'all, this bag is heavy. This bag is heavy. But it is a cute little going out to dinner bag, going to a concert bag, right? Oh my goodness, look at that. Could you imagine all the compliments you're gonna get on this particular bag? I've never really seen a Louis Vuitton bag like this one. So let's put the strap on. And if you're wondering if your bag is going to come to you all damage free, no worries. No worries. This bag has no damage to it at all. Even though the box was a little damaged, the bag is not damaged at all. So that is a good thing. And so, oh my goodness, y'all, this is beautiful. This is really, really pretty. And the little hardware has the LVs on them. Right there. The LV. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is really like a collector's item. I probably won't use it as much, but just going to like certain places, I will have my little bag because you can't fit much in here. I'm trying to see if I can even fit my cell phone in here, y'all, because my cell phone is pretty big, and what makes it big is the case. So let's see if we can get this back open again and try to put the cell phone in here if we can, y'all. Trying to pop up this thing again. Okay, let's see. Okay, I might be able to get it in here. I don't know, y'all. Let's see. Nope. I can't even fit my cell phone in there, y'all. So when I say this is a bag where you are just going to be just for show. Yeah, this is a nice one though. A nice collector's piece. I really, really like it. That is the hardware on the bottom, so it has feet. It looks more like a jewelry box, really. But it is a purse. But it is so cute. So I want to say thank you to the Timo RU store for sending this over to me. This is really, really cute. I've never seen a bag like this before. And yeah, I didn't actually pick this bag out. They actually just sent this bag to me. So, but it's, oh my God, it's so heavy, y'all. Like so heavy, but it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So I will put all of Timo's information in the description box below. If there's any discount codes, that will be down below as well. Go to the website, check out their merchandise. They have some amazing, amazing items. I will link this purse in the description box below, as well as their website. And yeah, happy shopping over there, y'all. Christmas is coming, and you might want to get somebody something really special. And this is really special. This is really special. So once again, thank you to Timo, Timo Store RU for this collaboration. And you all go be kind to someone. Continue to enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. Continue to live your best blessed life. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all. Love y'all.